It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot.
창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임, 랜덤 게임, 게임 스타트. 아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 아파트
It's whatever you like.
Please welcome Bitoy!
Umalis ng Las Piñas pumunta ng Dubai. Bumalik sa Las Piñas nang walang tatay.
Wow! Do you know that when you were young, you used to be a Ninja Turtle? Yes. Si Dylan graduated from University of Santo Tomas with a degree of Bachelor in Science in Industrial Design. Cum laude. Ano pa natin? Tawagin nga natin yung mga matatalino dito. From Pamantasan ng Luzon ng Maynila, graduated Bachelor of Science in Mass Communications. Cum laude. Cum laude. Mary. Used to be a white monkey when she was young. Camille Potpot Villanueva.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Master of Sustainable Food System A. Lubin. Iris Joy. Magna cum laude. Yung sinasako ni Lola pag ayaw pumasok. Tita Niti.
Best in conduct.
Since kompleto na yung matatalino, tawagin na natin yung the best. Nag-aaral siya sa mababang paaralan ng Daniel Pajardo. Dalawang pag-aaral sa mataas na paaralan ng municipal.
Perfect attendance.
Sinunala ko si Pao, scholar sa Japan, ha?
Pinagpasalamat natin kanina na yan, di ba? All the way from Osaka, Japan. Future attorney natin siya. Salamat tayo kasi andito pa si Tita Julie! Grabe, di ba? Okay. At saka kay Irish. Oh! All the way from Aldana, Kalimba. All the way from Belgium! Dalawang taon tayo pinoko nito. Irish, Joy, and Josh. On behalf of my family, Josh, if you see someone you talk to, then they need tissue and, you know, the nose is bleeding, I apologize. If you want to talk to someone, you talk to me or Sheng Sheng.
Ang sabi niya kino ganito. Last night, George, we won on the Christmas party. Ang Aquinos family. I won the grand prize.
Go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
아파트 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 아파트
engaged girlfriend. Engaged na agad, no? Are you feeling uncomfortable now, Josh? Welcome to the family.
I just wanted to say thanks for having me and Merry Christmas to all.
Siyempre, pasalamat tayo sa nag-iisang Santa ng Villanueva Clan. Kuya Ekoy and Ate Polet.
I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Last two back out, 5,000 each.
You won! Congratulations!
Arigato gozaimasu.
Good bingo!
Go, go, go!
You, baby, don't you need me like I need you